Welcome back, students. I hope you have understood the exercise 3.2, which is based on the angle sum property on exterior angles. Now we are going to study the kinds of quadrilateral, right? The kinds of quadrilateral consist, I think, six types, right? Out of that, today we are going to explain the three types. Our first type of explanation is uh, trapezium. Trapezium. And what do you mean by trapezium, right? You all know that a quadrilateral means a quadrilateral has the four sides, or uh, it consists of line segment and it made up from line segment. But the quadrilateral, whose name is trapezium, is having the special quality that is if this diagram is of quadrilateral and suppose this having such arrow, that arrow indicates the parallel lines. So how many pair of parallel line? Only one pair. When only one pair of parallel lines, then it is trapezium. So what we have to focus? Only one pair, right? There are so many figures. After seeing them, you feel that it is a quadrilateral. But if someone asks you, is it trapezium? Then we have to focus that it should have only one pair, right? So I think it is sufficient to explain the trapezium, a quadrilateral which has only one pair of parallel sides, right? Our next is our next type of quadrilateral is kite, right? Kite, everyone knows the shape of kite we have seen is looks like that, right? So here such type of marking is here, right? So after seeing that diagram, we can understand that what is the quality or what is the identity of kite. The shape is the definitely the identity, but the word that we are use here is that two pairs of, because of this marking the equal sides are there, but how that sides are consecutives, right? The two pairs of equal consecutive sides, right? Just like at this side and this side, they are consecutive, and this side, suppose I am giving A, B, C, D. So two pairs of consecutive sides. First pair AB and AD. Second side CD and CB. If such two pair of consecutive sides looks in a kite shaped structure, then we can say that it is a kite, right? Why I am saying that it is kite shape? Because it looks like a kite, right? So I hope that now you are very clear with the kite also. Yes. Our third type of quadrilateral is parallelogram. Now everyone heard about the parallelogram, so you all know the shape is looks like that. Opposite sides are equal, right? Suppose I am giving the name A, B, C, D. So in parallelogram, the only opposite sides are equal, and now we are going to understand it very deeply. Why? Because in our next exercise, the most of the problem or whole exercise we can say on the parallelogram. Yes. So now, which are the elements of parallelogram? Which are the elements of parallelogram? So elements of parallelogram. Number one element is that two pairs of opposite sides, right? So here pairs of opposite like here in diagram AB and CD, and second one AD and BC. Second element is four pairs of adjacent sides AB, BC, CD and AD. Third one is two pairs of opposite angles. That is most important. Two pairs of opposite equal angles. Opposite equal angles. Suppose in that diagram, if I have to find the opposite angles, so angle BAD equal to which angle? Yes, the BCD. This is the one pair. Second pair, if this is first ADC, then on that side ABC. They are the two pairs of opposite angles, right? So, and the last one, four pairs of adjacent angles. Four pairs of adjacent. Why adjacent? Because they are connected with each other, adjacent angles. So angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. So in this way, student, we have learned about the three types of angles, quadrilaterals, trapezium, having the only one pair of parallel lines, kite, having two pairs of equal consecutive sides in that diagram, AB and AD, and second pairs CD and CB. Third type, parallelogram. In that parallelogram, we have seen that the quadrilateral which is having opposite sides parallel, right, whose opposite sides are parallel, is called parallelogram. There are four elements, pairs of opposite sides, four pairs of adjacent sides, two pairs of opposite angles and four pairs of adjacent angles. So you have to, if you want to copy this in your copy, you can copy that. Otherwise, I have already uploaded the paper image. Also from there also you can copy. Okay, thank you.